कर रहे थे, जिसमें सायंकालीन भक्ति सैत्रता भगवन् जदीसा दैवेन न फलति दिव्यपितोरमूर्ति मुक्ति सन्मुक्ताञ्जलि सेवते अस्मन् धर्म अर्थ कामय समया प्रतीक्षा। इस श्लोक के हम लोग श्रवण करते प्रणाम करके ग्रंथों में ये नाम में रुचि उदित होने से कृष्ण ईश्वर रूप
when we get the ruchi in Krishna's name, in Krishna Karnam, it is said that when attachment, rati, for the holy name arises, the youthful form of Krishna easily manifests, stayed in the heart.
इसको भी याद किया
O Bhagwan, if someone has steady devotion unto your lotus feet, he easily perceives your most charming divine youthful form. Thereafter, liberation stands before him with folded hands, and dharma, artha, and kama also wait for an opportunity to serve him.
और साथ ही साथ धर्म अर्थ काम ही भक्तिपूर्ण हृदय बल की सेवा में अवसर की प्रतीक्षा
करते हैं।
भगवान दर्शन
प्रेमा भक्ति।
प्रेमा भक्ति।
So when which bhakti manifests in the heart and Bhagwan give the darshan. So Bhagwan always give the darshan in a prema bhakti. In a bhav dasha, in the stage of bhav, Bhagwan gives a general form darshan. When sadhak enter into the bhav, even asakti dasha also Bhagwan gives the darshan. When bhakt is too much eager, Bhagwan is spontaneously, he is free. So by this Achinta Shakti, he, in the heart of Bhakt, for a while, he manifested himself. So here, Bilvamangal Thakur is praying like this. When Bilvamangal Thakur, he was moving towards Vrindavan, while moving towards Vrindavan, Krishna himself, he holded his hand. So Krishna himself holded the hand of Bilvamangal Thakur because Bilvamangal Thakur was blind. So he got blind that time. At the time,
स्वयं कृष्ण कहने
Krishna
लगे,
himself said,
बिल्वामंगल,
Vilvamangal,
तुम तो दक्षिण देश में रहने
so
वाले
you
हो।
are staying in the Dakshin country,
और
Dakshin
वहाँ
side,
पंडित भी हो।
south side, and you are a very scholar with intelligent.
संस्कृत में तुम्हारे बहुत ज्ञान है।
You have so much knowledge in Sanskrit.
विद्या भी।
You have so much
इसलिए
vidya.
तुम मुझे कुछ
So that's why
कृष्ण के स्वरूप कुछ
you should
वर्णन
tell
करो।
me something about the
मैं
Krishna's
सुनना
Swarup, Krishna's form. I would like to hear.
क्यों कृष्ण ऐसे
Because
साधारण
Krishna was behaving like a general cowherd boys.
बिल्वामंगल ने पूछा,
Vilvamangal
तुम्हारा
asked,
नाम क्या है?
what's your name?
उस समय कृष्ण ने कहा,
At that time Krishna said,
मेरे तो अनेकों नाम हैं।
I have many names.
गांव के जितने लोग हैं,
All the villagers,
जितने ही लोग हैं, कोई नाम से
all the
पुकारते
villagers
हैं।
call me with in a different names.
किंतु
But
मेरा माता पिता मुझे
my parents,
कन्हई करके पुकारते
they called me Kanai.
हैं। क्या नाम?
Kanai.
कन्हा कहते
They call me Kana.
हैं। अच्छा,
Oh, acha.
बहुत सुंदर है।
Very nice.
बिल्वामंगल ठाकुर ने कहा,
Vilvamangal Thakur said,
तुम मेरा सुनना चाहते हो?
you would like to hear my katha, okay?
ठाकुर जी
Thakurji
साक्षात रूप में
himself,
बिल्वामंगल के हाथ पकड़
he holded the hand of Vilvamangal Thakur, and Vilvamangal Thakur
सुंदर सुस्वर से
very nicely
कृष्ण की लीला कथा को
he was explaining the kirtan katha of Krishna
जैसे उसके भाव
very beautifully, as much as the feelings were manifested in the heart of Vilvamangal Thakur. According to them, that feelings he is explaining the katha.
ठाकुर जी सुन करके बहुत प्रसन्न
So hearing the katha, Thakurji pleased so much, just like
उनके कानों में
somebody has
अमृत बरसा रहे हैं।
showering the nectar in his ears.
स्वयं ठाकुर जी
So
प्रसन्न
Thakurji himself pleased.
हुए। इसलिए
That's
परवर्ती
why
काल में
in the Parvartikal,
इसी श्लोकों को जो है एकत्रित करके
in this present time, all the shlokas has collected.
मैंने श्लोकों की जो है
All the shlok has been
आगे
collected.
पीछे करके एक ग्रंथ रचना की।
So there was a granth manifested, which granth name is Shri Krishna Karnamrit Grantha.
जिस कथा को सुन करके
Just like hearing the katha,
कानों के मानो
Krishna got so much nectar in his ears. That's why its name called Krishna Karnamrita.
वर्ण
Amrit.
कृष्ण का
The Krishna Karnamrit means the nectarine katha, which was nectarine shlokas or katha was giving the nectar to the ear of Krishna. That why his name is Krishna Karnamrit.
लेकर के आए। महाप्रभु दक्षिण में से दो ग्रंथ लिखे।
So Mahaprabhu carried two granths from the Dakshina, south.
तत्व विषय ग्रंथ
First is Tattva Vishaya Grantha.
ब्रह्म संहिता।
First that is Brahma Samhita. I told you yesterday about in the evening katha.
अनेक पंडित लोग
There are many scholars or pandits. They doesn't know. They are not aware with about Brahma Samhita. Brahma Samhita is a very incredible grantha.
समस्त तत्व के विखंडित खंडित विखंडित करके
So destroying all the tattva and other, it is manifested the pure devotion, Shuddha Bhakti.
यद्यपि ब्रह्म संहिता के
Even
सारे
Brahma Samhitas, many part are not available, but still Mahaprabhu took some parts.
और इसी प्रकार
And in the same way,
एक कृष्ण का नाम
that says Krishna Karnamrit Grantha.
जिसको भी महाप्रभु
So Mahaprabhu carried this also.
जब बिल्वामंगल
So
ठाकुर
Vilma Mangal Thakur,
कीर्तन करते जा
he is doing the kirtan.
तई तिरका भगवान जली तत्
Braje
दैवेन न फलति दिव्य किशोर मुक्ति मुक्ति संग मुक्तांजलि
Sevate Sman
दै सेवते अस्मान
Dharmarth
धर्म अर्थ काम
गतया समय प्रतीक्षा
गतय
समय प्रतीक्षा
धर्म अर्थ काम गत समय प्रतीक्षा
O Bhagwan, if someone has steady devotion unto your lotus feet, he easily perceives your most charming, divine, youthful form. So by the bhakti, Bhagwan give the darshan. And which bhakti? It is not possible by the sadhan bhakti. It is possible by the bhav bhakti, prema bhakti. If somebody has manifested the prema bhakti in their heart, so Bhagwan always presented his divya for transcendental form before the person. So thereafter relations. The pure name manifests in a person's heart when he chants with pure devotees. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying in the Jav Dharma, Brajanath and Brajay Kumar asking a question, this same question to the Babaji Maharaj, that how we can chant Shuddha Naam. So by the association of pure devotees, chanting the holy name, the pure name manifested in the person's heart when he chants with the pure devotees. So at that stage, bhakti, that is symptomized by prema, manifested in his heart as vision of pastimes. When this prema bhakti becomes steadfast, Shri Krishna's transcendental youthful form automatically appears in the heart. Although Mukti Devi is neglected by the devotee, she personally prays with folded hands for the devotees to accept her service. Dharma, Arth and Kam also wait for the opportunity to pray to the devotee for service, and they are in the queue. They waited in the queue. So the Jatrati Bhakta inclined towards Madhurya Ras is greatly allured by the divine adolescent form of Shri Krishna, whose topmost pastimes of humorous love, Shringar Ras, are displayed at this stage. Krishna's Vayas age, which is Krishna's has some age, Valya, Poganda, Kishore, Balya, Poganda. It's showed there, Balya, Pogand and Kishore. So it is showed here the Kishore Avastha, the youthful stage. From 1 to 5, this is called Balya Avastha. From 5 to 10, 5 to 7, it is called Pogand, where Krishna is playing with the friends, and from and going for the cow grazing in the forest. 7 years, from 5 to 7 years. And some acharyas or Vaishnavas saying like, so from 5 to 9 years he has explained that he is Pogand Avastha, the stage of Pogand. It means 6 to 9. 1 to 5 years is a Balyakal, it's a childhood, and from 5 to or 6 to 9 it is called Pogand, where Nanda Yashoda brought up him in the 1 to 5 years.
और 6 से लेकर
and
के
from 6 to 9
करीब 7 अथवा 9 साल तक
some are telling about 7, some are telling about 9. So this is called the Pogant stage. Some acharyas are saying 7, 5 to 7, some acharyas are saying 5 to 9. At that time Krishna is playing with their friends, going for cow grazing,
और फिर
and then
9 से लेकर
9 to 6
11 साल तक
9 to 11 and a half year, 9 to 11 and a half year, or 12 year.
फिर किसी आचार्यों
Some acharyas some acharyas told that till 14 years, from 9 to 14 years. So it means different tikakar, different acharyas are explaining in a different way. So they are saying the Kishore Avastha, the youthful form, is from 9 to 11.5 or 14 years old. Because Vilvamangal Thakur is saying he belongs from the Madhurya Ras. That's why he is saying, please give me the darshan of your this transcendental youthful form. Kishore Vyas, Balya, Pogand and Kishore. There are 3 stages. Some places are saying Vayasandhi. After from 5 to
7 व 6 साल तक में जो होता है उसकी वयसंधि कहा जाता है। विभिन्न टीकाकारों ने
from 5 to 7 this is called Vayasandhi according to the different tikakar. In a general way, Balya, Pogand and Kishore. There are 3 stages. Vayasandhi. Some places are called Pogand stages, Vayasandhi. So within the acharyas is different way. So who are the belongs to the Madhur Ras, who are serving in the Shringar mode of Shringar. They always before them Bhagwan always presented his Kishore form, which is very beautiful. So taking the darshan of their lotus feet from the toe nails to from the head to the head, it's all things, every parts of his body is very beautiful. In the Jaiv Dharma it is described very nicely how Krishna he got his youthful form, because by the youthful form the Kishore Murti he is doing the Ras Bihar, he is doing the Ras Leela. That's why it is saying day and night Shri Krishna enjoys the company of Shri Radharani in the Kunjas of Vrindavan. Thus his adolescence is made successful through his pastime with her. At the time so the art of amorous sport Ratikala, endowed with cleverness and other qualities, is expressed in the sweetest way during Keshora. Shri Krishna embraces Shri Radha by revealing to the Sakhis his skills and arrogance during the previous night's amorous sports by showing them how he expertly painted wonderful Keli Makari on her breast. In this way, Shri Krishna sports in the Kunjas, making his youth successful.
रतिलक्षण भक्त के शुद्ध भक्त के संग में नाम अनुशीलन करते करते कैसे भाव को प्राप्त करते हैं। परस्परान् कथनं पावनं भगवत जस मिथो रति मिथो तुष्टि निवृत्ति मिथो आत्मनः स्मरन्तः स्मरन्तश्च मिथो अभोगुपरि भक्ता संज्ञात भक्ता विभु उत्पुलकां
Very beautiful shlok is this in the Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, 3rd chapter, 30 and 31 shlok. So Bhagwan himself is saying, targeting Uddhav. Yes, I told you yesterday, this is called the Bhagavad Dharma. What is Bhagavad Dharma? When Bhagwan himself, for the welfare of the jivas, by his mouth, whatever he instructed, that is called Bhagavad Dharma. So Bhagwan himself saying, Hey Uddhav, how a new devotee, how they meet each other. So in the Srimad Bhagavatam describes as the practice of chanting the holy name at the stage of rati in the association of pure devotees. Bhagwan's glories are supremely purifying. Devotees discuss these glories amongst themselves and thus develop loving friendships. They develop loving friendship, feel satisfaction, and gain release from material existence. They practices sadhan bhakti, constantly remembering and reminding each other of the killer of Aghasur. So whenever there are two kinds of bhakti, one is sadhan bhakti and second is prema bhakti. But bhav bhakti, between the sadhan bhakti and prema bhakti, there is a bhakti which is called bhav bhakti. So that's why bhakti is, there are three kinds of bhakti: sadhan bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti. Because prem cannot be manifested in the heart by the sadhan. It is kripa sadhya. It is only possible by the best of mercy of the Bhagwan, or when Bhagwan bestows his mercy upon someone, he manifested the love in his heart. So by the performing sadhan, everybody has to clean his heart. When there are many kinds of, from last previous births, there are many kinds of anarth. It is situated in the heart of sadhak. Kam, krodh and etc. These all vikar has manifested or situated in the heart of sadhak. Sarubram, Hridorvalya, Asatrishna, Aparad Adi. These all has taken places in the heart of sadhak. Dushkrati unartha, Sukrati unartha, Bhakti utanartha, Aparad utanartha. These all unearth has taken place in the heart of sadhak. So Baddha Jeev, he is called anarthagrasta. That's why performing the sadhan, gradually the anartha will be removed. Then by the mercy of Bhagwan, bhav and then love. manifested
तो
in
ये
the heart
प्रकार
of
है
sadhak.
लक्षण
So that's why it is saying here,
भक्ति से शुद्ध भक्त के संग से
in this way,
नाम अनुशीलन हरिनाम करना नाम अत्यंत श्रद्धा के साथ
always chant the holy name by very firm faith and very humbly and praying before the Bhagwan. Always practice the chanting the holy name at the stage of rati in the association of pure devotees.
स्मरण करते हैं
First they remember himself and they try to make them others remember. Just like Madhavendra Puripad, when he got old,
उनकी सेवा
so his sevak, his servant,
ईश्वर परिवार
Ishwar Puripad, he was serving him.
यहाँ तक भी उनके मल मूत्र आदि
Even
सब साफ
his toilets and latrine he used to clean.
रसोई आदि बनाना।
He used to cook for them.
और माधवेंद्र परिवार के भाव के अनुसार
And according to the feelings of Madhavendra Puripad, Ishwar Puripad,
भागवत आदि शास्त्र के श्लोक
according to his bhav, Ishwar Puripad reciting the shlokas of Bhagavata according to his bhav,
और सुन करके
and hearing these, Madhavendra Puripad, he entered into the bhav, he was drawing himself into the bhava.
स्मरण करना
So it is called first always smara, remember, and then try to other make them remember. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhavendra Puripad, he is described by the two disciples, Ishwar Puripad,
ईश्वर परिवार
Ramchandra
रामचंद्र
Puri. Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
ईश्वर परिवार
Ishwar Puripad,
निष्कपट से
very without selfishness, he was serving Ishwar Puripad. No, Madhavendra Puripad.
बपु सेवा
Bapu Seva, there are two kinds of Seva, Bapu Seva and Vani Seva. Bapu Seva and Vani Seva.
बपु सेवा के द्वारा
Bapu Seva, so by serving the body,
रसोई बनाना उनके
cooking for the Gurudev, cleaning the clothes of the Gurudev,
भोजन आदि तैयार
preparing for food stuff to him,
और वाणी सेवा के द्वारा
and according by the Bani Seva, remembering him, the glories of Krishna.
और इसलिए माधवेंद्र परिवार
That's why Madhavendra
अपने
Puripad,
वास्तव के हृदय के धन
so he has given his heart possession to Ishwar Puripad.
वही ईश्वर परिवार से
The same Ishwar Puripad, Mahaprabhu got the initiation.
इसलिए माधवेंद्र परिवार
That's why Madhavendra Puripad is called sprout of the
क्या होता है
Prema Bhakti के अंकुर.
प्रेम भक्ति की अंकुर कहा है।
That's why Madhavendra Puripad is called the sprout of the Prema Bhakti, Prema Ankur,
प्रेम अंकुर प्रणाम प्राप्त और
Prema Bhakti.
ट्रांसेंडेंट डिवाइन लव ऑफ
So that's why he is called the sprout of the transcendental divine love of Shri Radha Krishna, Prema
और
Ankur.
वही
And then, and the same Madhavendra Puripad, he given his the same bhav to Ishwar Puripad, and Ishwar Puripad has given the same mood to Mahaprabhu.
महाप्रभु के और दूसरी एक
And
उनकी शिष्य
there is another disciple is has Ramchand Puri.
वो गुरु की निंदा करते हैं
He was criticizing him.
कैसी निंदा करते हैं
How he was criticizing?
अच्छा कोई गुरु की निंदा थोड़ी करता है
Nobody do the criticism of Gurudev, Guru.
इस संसार में
In this world,
जैसे भी कोई माता पिता की निंदा नहीं करता
whatever the people may be, they doesn't criticize any their
अब तुम्हारा
parents.
पिता है
You have your parents.
हैं? पिता माता नहीं है सब पधार गए इस
In this world, it seems in this world nobody criticizes their parents, and they shouldn't do this these things. Who are rascals, they are doing this.
पिता सर्व पिता धर्म पिता ही परम पिता पिता परम पिता की सर्व है हम लोग छोटे
when we were in young age or childhood, we used to recite this shloka.
माता की भी इसी प्रकार गमी जन्मभूमिष्य सरकार
We used to do stuti like this.
गुरु की कोई निंदा नहीं
Nobody criticizes his guru.
गुरु की निंदा करना भी नहीं
And we shouldn't do the criticism of guru, and we shouldn't hear the criticism of guru.
जो गुरु की निंदा करते हैं
Who would do the criticism of guru?
गुरु विद्या जी देखो कथन तथापि न करो
In the Bangla Payar, it is written something like this.
गुरु विद्या यदि देखो कथन तथापि न करो
Mukher Vachan. So, okay, we leave it. But this Ramchand Puri, is a Madhvin Puri, Mahaprabhu ki. How he used to criticize his guru. Madhvin Puripad, he is crying in love. And Ramchand Puri came and he said, "Oh, why are you crying, Gurudev? You are Brahma. You are Brahma. Why are you crying? Everybody is Brahma." Brahma is Nishpriya. He doesn't have moho, doesn't have attachment towards anybody. So why are you crying? Why you are crying for? How we always cry when we have some attachment for somebody. Illusion. This is called illusion. Then we cry. So in this way, he was in the indirect way he was criticized that you are Brahma. At that time, Madhvin Puripad, he said that if I see your face, that I will. Madhvin Puripad was saying, if I see your face, then I will be destroyed. I will get the lower gati, lower stage, where the Bhagwan, who was the Divya Kishore, with the transcendental youthful form, Sachidananda Vigraha, and whom you are saying that he is Brahma, Am Brahma. Jeev cannot be Brahma. Jeev cannot be Brahma. And look, so while committing these kinds of offenses, wherever he used to go, he always criticized and prajal. So it has become a nature of Ramchand Puri. Sometimes the people has developed this kinds of nature, always criticize to others and always talk about others. So this becomes the habit of some persons. Even gradually he was criticizing Mahaprabhu. He started criticizing Mahaprabhu, but he used to have the guru buddhi towards Mahaprabhu, because he is
अरे माधवेंद्रपुरी के शिष्य ने कहना
Yes. महाप्रभु रखते थे ना गुरु बुद्धि,
है जी।
महाप्रभु गुरु बुद्धि रखते थे ना,
हाँ?
महाप्रभु गुरु बुद्धि रखते थे ना उनके प्रति.
महाप्रभु उनको भी गुरु बुद्धि रहा
हाँ, महाप्रभु always have affection. Yes, he has a higher wisdom, like respect, pay respect to him because he was the disciple of Madhavendra Puri. Ramchandra Puri.
रामचंद्र
Ramchandra Puri was a disciple of Madhavendra Puri.
सम्मान करते थे
So he was paying respect to him.
इसलिए लोग
So in this way, in the Laukik Vyavhar, in this general behavior, he used to pay him respect and call him.
और वो कभी-कभी
And sometimes
महाप्रभु के निमंत्रण करते थे
he used to invite Mahaprabhu, please come to my house and take prasad here.
जगन्नाथ जी का उन्हें प्रसाद लेकर के
So he used to take so lot of Jagannath prasad.
केले की पत्ता
So he put the many varieties food stuff on the banana tree, and when Mahaprabhu was taking prasad, he was, oh Mahaprabhu बहुत खाते हैं, sannyasi okay इतना खाते हैं. So he was saying that he is sannyasi and he is eating too much. A sannyasi must be detached from this world. So why?
इसी प्रकार
In this way he was criticizing him.
फिर कभी-कभी महाप्रभु
So
के पास
sometimes
आते
he
थे।
used to come to Mahaprabhu,
जी देखो
and
चिड़िया टाइप के इधर-उधर घूमती रहती हैं।
so the ants was wandering here and there on the ground.
आप सन्यासी हो
So he said that if you are sannyasi, why are you collecting?
हैं? आप रखते क्यों?
Why do you keep so much things?
एक मिठाई लगाते हैं।
So you have put mithai somewhere. Is it true that Mahaprabhu used to keep sweets in his house? Where Mahaprabhu used to live, that is the place called Gambura, which is very small. Mahaprabhu said,
ये आप सन्यासी के संचय क्यों करते हैं?
so why are you always doubting on sannyasi? No. Ramchandra Puripad was saying that you are a sannyasi and why are you collecting so many things? So in this way,
निंदा आती है।
he was always criticized Mahaprabhu. Actually, who was that?
कृष्ण लीला में
In the Krishna Lila, so he was someone between Jatila Kutila, Ramchandra Puri.
श्री कृष्ण पाप राशि को एक क्षण में भस्म कर देते
Shri
हैं।
Krishna burns up heaps of sins in a moment. Therefore, everyone should remember him and also remind others about him. In this way, we continuously following sadhan bhakti, prema bhakti arises in the devotee. Due to the predominance of prema, the devotee's body then displays ecstatic symptoms. A sadhak's duty is to increase his affection for the swajatiya bhaktas, like-minded devotees who are more advanced than oneself and affections towards oneself.
भक्ति के अनुकूल जो है ग्रहण करें।
Always accept which is favorable for bhakti and always give up which is unfavorable for bhakti.
तत्त कर्म प्रवर्तना संगत त्यागा तपोवृत्ति सर्वभक्ति
Vinash Prasiddhi.
और भक्ति के प्रतिकूल क्या है?
So which is against not favorable for bhakti, atyahar, laulasya, shadvira,
सर्वी भक्ति
vinashyati.
उत्साह निश्चय धैर्य तत्त कर्म प्रवर्तना संगत त्यागा असत संगत त्याग
Always give up the bad association.
निंदा वंदना से
Always keep away from yourself criticism and talk about others.
इसमें कहें
That's why he is saying.
इस प्रकार साधन भक्ति का अनुष्ठान करते करते
So in this way, following the sadhan bhakti, prema bhakti manifested or arises in the devotee's heart. So due to the predominance of prema, the devotee's body then displays ecstatic symptoms.
उनका सुख विधान भक्ति प्रतिकूल विषय त्याग आदि
It is also his duty to give up sense objects that are unfavorable to bhakti. The pure-hearted Swajati Bhaktas purifies one's heart by glorifying Shri Krishna's qualities. Thus, by cultivating devotion through process such as the hearing and speaking of Shri Krishna Katha, bhav arises in the heart. By hearing, speaking, and remembering Hari Katha, which destroy all inauspiciousness, the sadhak enters the perfected stage, which is called Siddha Avastha. So, the special meaning of this shloka, the special meaning of this verse is that by the influence of associating with Brajrasiks Bhaktas who have the same mood as oneself, Bhakti Devi enters the heart. Hearing such devotees, Hari Katha with a pure heart matures a new sadhak impression of bhakti. By hearing the Hari Katha, sadhak got firm faith, and according to the impression of previous birth, so which sanskar, which impression? The Bhagavad Bhakti sanskar. They got maturity in that. So what are your previous impression, last birth impression that you did bhakti? That's why you are and you came into the bhakti mark. But what you have to do? Mature. That you have to mature your these impressions. Because after when the fruit ripes, so it becomes tasty. In the raw stage, the fruit is not so tasty, it is not eatable. But when that fruit got ripe, it becomes very tasty, and it becomes so tasty and is very eatable. In this way, so the impression of previous birth, what we have to do with that? We have to mature that. How? After associating the pure devotees of Bhagwan, hearing the Katha and keep doing the Kirtan.
समस्त प्रकार के अमंगल विनाशकारी श्री हरिकथा का स्मरण कीर्तन भक्ति करते सारा.
So, by hearing, speaking, and remembering Harikatha that destroy all inauspiciousness, the sadhak enters the perfect stage, Siddha Avastha. Mangal Bhavan Amangal Hari, Amangal Hari, Drabau Sudashrat Ajir Bihari.
मंगल भवन
Mangal Bhavan
मंगल भवन अमंगल.
जब रामायण स्टार्ट होती है बड़ा अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे. जब रामायण स्टार्ट होती है तब अच्छा आता है, बड़ी अच्छी
एक जब ये पढ़ते हैं
सुंदरकांड या चौपाई
पढ़ने के बाद भगवान की कथा.
So Bhagwan Katha is very auspicious, and as well as that destroy the inauspiciousness from the heart of sadhak. That's why it is saying here that the Katha of Shri Hari, how that removes or destroy all inauspiciousness. And in this way, doing the Kirtan and hearing the glories of Bhagwan, the sadhak god enters into the perfect stage, which is called Siddha Avastha. So the special meaning of this verse is that by the influence of associating with Brajrasik Bhaktas who have the same mood or oneness, Bhakti Devi enters the heart. Hearing such devotees Hari Katha with a pure heart matures a new sadhak impressions of bhakti. Sadhan bhavite yaha siddhe paha.
प्रेम भक्ति चंद्रिका
In the Prem Bhakti Chandrika,
वर्णन कर रहे हैं।
it is said there
साधन में इस साधन अवस्था में
in the stage of
जैसे
sadhan,
जैसे
as well
चिंतन
as
होता है,
whatever you
नाम
are
चिंतन होता है।
whatever you
नाम
are
करते
reminding
करते चिंतन
remembering while chanting the holy name,
और सिद्धि अवस्था में
at,
उस चीज
at
की
that
प्राप्ति होती है।
so you will get that all things in the siddha stage, the stage of
साधन में
perfection.
जहाँ सिद्धि से पाई है जहाँ केवल मात्र पक्व अपक्व विचार, साधन में अपक्व होता है और सिद्धि में
In the sadhan there is immaturity, but in the
साधन
siddha
अवस्था में
stage,
चिंतन करते जाओ।
so in whatever you are remembering in the sadhan stage, so at the siddhi stage, at the stage of perfection, you will get the maturity in all these remembrance.
सद्गुरु की कृपा से अपना सिद्ध
So by the
स्वरूप
mercy of
जानकर
Sadguru
साधन
or bona fide Guru, the sadhak realize his perfection or perfected form, Siddha Swarupa. When like-minded, pure devotees, Swajatiya Shuddha Bhaktas meet, they speak only Krishna Katha,
कृष्ण की
thus becoming overwhelmed by the description of Krishna's form,
कृष्ण चर्चा के
qualities,
अतिरिक्त
etc.
उनका कोई अन्य वार्तालाप नहीं होता है।
So
फिर गोस्वामी
apart
पाठ
from
तथा
Krishna,
गोस्वामी पाठ
apart from Krishna, it doesn't have any kind of topic to discuss.
और अनाम स्थल पर
Sanatan Goswami Pad and Rup Goswami Pad, they were discussing like this.
शास्त्रीय भाव में नियोजित हो जाते हैं। सनातन गोस्वामी पाठ
Sanatan Goswami Pad, Ter Kadam. Acha, Sanatan Goswami Pad used to do bhajan in Pavan Sarovar. And Rup Goswami Pad, Ter Kadam. He was performing bhajan in Ter Kadam.
नंदगांव जावट के बीच में
Between the Nandagaon and Jawad, there is a Ter Kadam. But sometimes Sanatan Goswami Pad,
रूप गोस्वामी पाठ के निकट जाकर
he used to go to Rup Goswami Pad,
अनेक कथा
and they were discussing about many kinds of kathas.
स्मरण आता है।
They remember the pastime of Krishna.
कृष्ण चर्चा के अतिरिक्त
So apart from Krishna's glorification, they doesn't have any kinds of topic to discuss.
अपने अपने भजन का अनुभव परस्पर वर्णन कर अशास्त्रिक भाव में नियोजित हो जाते हैं। भगवत कथा के छल से इंद्रिय तर्पण मूलक भोग विषय आदि ना हो जाए, इसके लिए सावधान रखना चाहिए। अर्थात यदि संग तथा लाभ पूजा प्रतिष्ठा आदि कार्य को प्रभावित न करें।
So the sadhak should be very careful, though that one, on the pretext of speaking Bhagavad Katha, he does not gratify his senses with female association, economic gain. Sometimes the pure devotees, becoming egoless, they used to do kirtan and always preach the Nam Sankirtan. Sometimes the prideless devotees preaches Nama Prema throughout the world by the medium of kirtan. So in the Narad Upakhyan, it is in the Shrimad Bhagavatam 1 Canto 6 shlok. Naraji is saying his katha to Vyasdev. So while telling his life story, Shri Narad said, not feeling shy or embarrassed, I begin to chant and remember the mysterious and auspicious sweet names and the pastime of Bhagwan. My heart was already free from longing, pride and envy. Now I roam the earth joyfully waiting for the right time.
नारद जी भगवान के नाम कीर्तन एवं
Shri Narad engaged himself in the activities of chanting the holy names and remembering Bhagwan's confidential pastime while he waited for his Vastu Siddhi. Pure devotees wholly observe themselves in chanting the holy names without a trace of hypocrisy, and they never allow criticism to enter their ears. Wherever it is possible, always keep yourself away from doing the criticism word. हाँ, चुगली। हिंदी में तो चुगली बोलते हैं। हिंदी में तो चुगली बोलते हैं ना। So to anybody, other person, another person katha to anybody, like we shouldn't speak the bad words towards anybody. We should always keep away ourselves from all these things, otherwise your heart will be disturbed or mind will be disturbed.
सजातीय श्रीकृष्ण भक्त के निकट रहस्यमय कथा अत्यंत गुरु प्रेम विलासमय लीलाओं को प्रकाश करती है.
To the like-minded people, always engage yourself in the association of with that persons.
कीर्तन के अधिकारों जिनके निकट करते हैं. कीर्तन प्रभावे स्मरण हुई सही काले निर्जन भजन संभव. इसी प्रकार
In this way,
नाम की प्रभाव नाम करते हैं.
so by performing the naam, then kirtan, and after kirtan, and affection of kirtan, then ismaran, remembering. In the isolate ismaran, remembrance will come as a result of performing kirtan, and at the time bhajan in secularism becomes possible. Always perform bhajan places. Naam and Nami are non-different. Upon attaining the stage of bhav, our devotees' material sentiments are destroyed, and he becomes humble, respecting everyone. So he does not expect honor for himself, and giving up any sense of shyness and inhibitions. Until you have breath in your body, till then always preach the Bhagavad Katha, because this is the Mahaprabhu's instruction. This is the instruction and order of Mahaprabhu. We should always follow that. Always preach. Ismaran is a limb of bhakti that is subservient to Shravan and Kirtan. According to
प्रकाश न करके अपने अधिकार अनुसार ही स्मरण एवं कीर्तन करना चाहिए.
So some topic we should always keep in our heart, which is very confidential. What are these? We should not be revealed in the presence of ordinary persons. निरंतर सेवा करे अंतर मनहना.
मने मने चित्त देह करिया भवन रात्रि दिने परिप्रति
कृष्ण सेवन निज भीष्ट कृष्ण पृष्ठ पाचित लगिया निरंतर सेवा करे अंतर मनहना. So in the sadhak form and the siddha form.
साधक रूप में नाम संकीर्तन आदि सब
In the
करते
form
रहे।
of sadhak form, always chant the holy name and doing kirtan.
अपने
And the siddh day, in the stage of perfection,
सर्व को अनुभव करके
always realizing your swarup,
और उस समस्त सेवा आदि में
all serve all your services.
और उस समय उनके हृदय में
At that time, in their heart,
अनेक प्रकार के
many
आनंद
kinds of
आदि अनुभव
enjoyment,
जैसे कचिद
pleasant,
वदन्ति कचिद चिंता कचिद संतिंद नंदन्ते वन्दन वदन्ते अलौकिका नृत्यन्ते गायन्तो सुरनं
ajam,
तज्जन् भवन्ति तुष्णीव परमेत्तनिवृत्ता। एकादश स्कंद में भगवान
So in the 11th canto, Bhagavan is saying himself,
कचित रुदन्ति कभी-कभी लोग
sometimes they cry,
रोते
like sometimes they cry too much.
अच्युत चिंतया
Achyut
भगवान श्री
Chintaya,
हरि अच्युत की
remembering the Bhagavan Achyut.
रोते
They cry on the past, remembering the pastime of Achyut.
असंति
And sometimes they laugh,
हंसते हैं अकेला चिंतन करते हैं
sometimes they remember alone
नंदन्ते गज
and laughing.
वदन्ति अलौकिका कभी कोई अत्यंत आनंद से
Sometimes very pleasantly.
अलौकिक कथा को जो है
So
बोलते हैं
they always speak the incredible katha of Bhagwan, adorable katha of Bhagwan, just like Mahaprabhu when he was presenting the kathas before the bhakta that I have been gone to Vrindavan and especially in Vrindavan and consider
और कृष्ण कैसे
and how Krishna,
दूसरी सखियों के साथ राधा कुंड के जल में
how Krishna is taking bath with other Sakhis in the Radha Kunda and playing in river, playing in that pond. Bhakt have two dasha, Bhajya dasha or Jaya dasha, and second is Antar dasha. First is externally and second is internally. There are two kinds of stages of bhakta. So we'll discuss about tomorrow. बहुत very nice कथा is this. चलो भैया तैयारी करो. कृष्णा हरिते चतुर्मुख. चलो भैया. अभी हुई नहीं. आप ही लेट आए.
भावदेव कवि कृष्ण चिंता फले आनंदित है अलौकिक फले नाचे गाए कृष्ण आलोचने सुख चाहे लीलानुभवी है सुश्री तो कभी हंसते हैं
Sometimes they laugh remembering the pastime of Krishna.
और कभी अलौकिक शब्द आदि बोलते हैं
Sometimes they say very adorable words.
नाचे गाए कृष्ण आलोचन सुख पाए लीला अनुभवी है दूसरी भूतता इसमें मौन धारण करते
Sometimes they very keep and quiet. Krishna,
अरे महाप्रभु की कथा
all Mahaprabhu's kathas is here. Gaur Leela.
महाप्रभु कैसे
How Mahaprabhu
दशा
he presented his
three stages of the
Three stage of Mahaprabhu. Externally, externally, external stage activities.
और एक है also Vajrayana.
Ardhavachya, half internal, नहीं half and external,
Half conscious and half unconscious.
half conscious and half unconscious. This is called Ardhavajya, the half external, and the third is internal, the internal stage, internal activities.
Completely yourself.
Completely submerged or absorbed in
Krishna.
Krishna Leela.
Krishna लीला में जैसे इसका जब
He entered into the Krishna Leela. So at that time he doesn't speak even a single word.
पाँच छह दशाएं प्रभु करे नाम संग
External stage or activity, when he got in, when he is in external stage, he always do the kirtan and used to ask the people there, wellness, how he is doing the water playing and the pond of Radha Kunda. So this all Katha Mahaprabhu was describing before the devotees. Sometimes he said, I have been at Radha Kund, at the bank of Radha Kund,
और कैसे कृष्ण
how Krishna
अन्य सखियों के साथ
with other gopis
राधा कुंड में
in the Radha Kund, he is playing with the water with others, all the gopis. These all kathas he explains before the devotees at that time in the half external stage. Chalo.
कृष्ण में ते जो